Right, I can't put into words just how excited I am to get stuck into this one. We have from Kaido House and Mini GT the Honda NSX Kaido Works V1. Oh yes, so from my little bit of research, Kaido House seems to be kind of a die-cast designer. They seem to have ties with Nissan and Nismo as a brand, so they do a lot of Nissans. And it seems like one of the designers from Kaido House has teamed up with Mini GT to make some very, very cool die-cast cars. And yeah, I bought this one here because I'm trying to fill a hole. I'm still kicking myself that I missed the chance to buy the red version of this with the gold wheels. Absolutely stunning looking thing. I still get jealous every time I see images of it. I had the chance, I debated it, I thought, I'm not sure if I've got the money right now, and then later in the day it sold out when I was about to buy it. And yeah, still kicking myself for that, you know. Later tried to bid it on eBay, but I think it sold for something like £60–70, which I thought was a bit mental. Not found any since. But as soon as this one come up on Modelmatic, I was like, well, I'm having it. To be fair, I kind of prefer the plainer looking cars anyway, so this, just in yellow, is a very, very neat look. But yeah, the metallic red and them gold wheels. Oh. But yeah, this is to fill the little hole, and I'm hoping it's going to be very awesome. I am impeccably excited to check this out. Let's take a little look at the box. This is very new to me. I've never opened a car like this. Obviously I've opened Mini GT, but you know, metal Borgies chassis, alloy wheels, pop-up headlights, opening rear glass, engine cover. Ooh, I forgot they had pop-up headlights. Honda logo there. There's the back. Ages 14 up, collector's model. TSM model. Shiny sticker there. Kaido House car culture for all scales. So yeah, pretty cool. There is the box. Let's get into it. Why not? I'm gonna very carefully try and make an incision into this plastic. Very carefully. I don't want to damage the box. Strong old stuff, this. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope these are as good as they look, because they're quite expensive. And actually, I saw this on Modelmatic, and as soon as I saw it, I had to buy it, because I didn't want to miss out again, and it looked awesome. And I don't know, it was something like, I can't remember how much it was now. I should probably go and get the order up. Hang on, I won't lie, it's like my fourth take now. I keep jump cutting. Okay, it was £21.99, so quite expensive. But so you get free delivery on orders over £50, and I've just spent £21.99. So instead of just spending £21.99 plus £5 postage, I spent £70 to get my £50 free postage limit. As you do. That was all unveiled in my last video. Well, one of the previous videos. Just peeling this back, come on. Oh, yes. Right, a little bit of tape there. We shall cut into that. Oh, okay, no, it comes out the box like this. Oh, different style box then. Cool. And it should hopefully slide out. Oh. Kaido House car culture for all scales. How cool does that look? Oh yeah. And there is the car. Oh, does it? How does this come out? Tip it, maybe? Oh, that is cool. Oh. Wow. And there is the car. Whoa, shiny base. Cool. That's a mega shiny base. Holy moly. Well, there it is. There is the car. God, that looks cool. Massive wide body kit. Oh, it's huge. I'll zoom in for you guys to see that. Whoa, that is a wide body kit. That is awesome. Oh, the wheels are so deep. Look at the size of them. Oh, that is cool. No, that is so cool. It's got red seats as well. Wow. Oh, that is nice. I can't help but keep thinking the red and gold would look a lot nicer, but you know, where you can fill the voids, where you can fill the voids. Wow, that is so cool. Got the carbon detail along the skirts and the bumpers and stuff and the little splitters. NSX written there. And on the tyres by the looks of it. It's very small. Oh, that is so cool. But look at the base. What a cool colour. I do believe there are chases of these as well. But from what I can tell, there's a bit of a whole sort of scound or something around that. Like, apparently they're all shipped out in the same place, so resellers can just pick them out really easily. But it looks like though the chases tend to be like ones with panels that are unpainted, so most of them actually just don't look that good compared to the main car. Yeah, I didn't do much research into it. I wasn't too bothered. Most of the time chases just cause more irritation than they're worth, but I do believe it's just this with like a few of the panels are silver and it kind of just doesn't look right. Right, that is freaking cool. I just love how wide and low it is. And the rear light details. The fact they're lensed. The little exhaust as well. Damn, that's good. So this opens. I'm not sure if it's... I'm not sure how. Whether it's just something you sort of just open up. It also has pop-up headlights. Oh, I see a little switch here. Oh, there's a tiny little switch to. Oh my god, that is awesome. Oh, hang on, let me try and. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is fucking cool. That is so fucking cool. Hang on. It's very, very tiny. It's very hard to. So I've really got to get a nail on it to try and. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is so sick. Oh, that is so cool. That is such a cool feature. And it's got like the squinty-eyed, sad-eyed look going on. Oh, that is really, really cool. I say all the details are bang on. So awesome. Hang on, let's see. How does it roll? Some of the projects we've been getting recently don't roll. Oh, it rolls really well actually. That rolls perfectly. Mint. Rubber tyres as well. Hey, sweet. How do we open this then? That's the only thing I haven't figured out. Is there a technique or not? Because it shows it having that open as well as having the like a shelf lift up as well. I'll try the blue tack technique. Rather than sticking like sharp things in it, you just, there we go. Blue tack technique always works. I don't know how you get the next bit out, but there's surely something more to this. There we go. I've now got that up as well. There must be something more to this surely, or is it just that is how you do it? I don't know. And then once that's open, if you can get it open and keep it open, you can see the engine detail in there. Stay open. How freaking cool is that? That is so cool. Yeah, my only gripe with that is I don't know how you meant to keep this fully open, but perhaps it's just as it is. I don't see another fancy switch or mechanism. Although, do correct me if I'm missing something, because that would be even cooler if I am missing something. But yeah, the rear screen opens and you can lift this little cover up and see the engine, which you can sort of see the detail through there as it's all painted red. That is so... Oh, I keep saying it. I know I keep saying it, but that is so flipping cool. Yeah, I say it's not a chase, but I don't know if he specifies whether he gets sent out the chases or randomly or not. But like I said, I'll try find an image of it. I'll try find the image I saw, but the chase of this it doesn't look that great. You know, it just looks half finished. You know, can't complain really, because I mean, if the chase looked better, then you'd really want it, and then you'd have the problem where you've got to buy it separately because it's kind of scammy or whatever, you know. I don't know. I haven't looked that deep into it. I just got really excited to unbox this awesome NSX and did pretty much 2 minutes of research because I couldn't wait any longer to unbox it. I'll be blatant here. Oh, it's so cool. So cool. Oh, it sort of filled the hole, but it's making me want the other one even more, knowing how cool this is. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's sweet though. Right, there we have it. The Honda NSX from Kaido House. I've got a new brand of cars I want to buy in the future, that is for sure. Very expensive, but man, they are flipping cool. And the little switch for the pop-ups is just... Oh, it's just amazing. Yeah, I'm going to try and get some awesome B-roll or something of this car. Try piece something together. If I can put it down for more than 5 seconds. Because it's just so cool. With the pop-ups as well. But yeah, I'll try to put something together that might be interesting. In case I haven't shown this car well enough. I mean, I have been very distracted. I've noticed I kept going out of shot multiple times trying to get a closer look at it for myself. Yeah, I'm sorry. I sort of prioritise my own viewing over you guys here, but I'll try correct that in a second. But yeah. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Do be sure to check out the comments. Let me know what you think of this Honda NSX down below, and let me know what you think of the Kaido House brand and what cars you have bought from them. Have you scored a chase yourself? Let me know down below and how you got it. And yeah, man, I really do wish they'd do more cars, you know, more than just Nissan and that. Did I say hence the NSX earlier? I hope I didn't, because this isn't a Nissan, this is a Honda. That would be really embarrassing. I've said that and I've just realised it now. Like when I searched it, yeah, they mostly do Nissans, but they've obviously done a few other cars because there's a Honda here. I think I made that mistake earlier, and now I'm regretting it if I have made that mistake. But I'm not sure. This is what happens when you're just too excited on getting into a car. I keep stuttering. I've literally made about 8 attempts at this video because I'm just too focused on this. I'm too excited. I'm having slight chest pains as well, which is probably concerning. But anyway, check out the comments, like and sub, and yeah, if you want to see more, I've already said it, like and sub. Upon further inspection, because I'm still playing with this car, it has glittery paint, which I failed to notice at the start. Hopefully you can see that, it's just about glinting on camera. No! My hands have failed me. So awesome. I must buy the red one. I really want the red one now. Goes that way. Oh, I like the little casing for it. Goes. It's a nice box. Shame you can't see the car through the box, but it's a nice box. Ooh,